Hi friends, hope you are well and doing well. Please watch this video in full shape. I hope definitely you will benefited from this video. Hello friends, please watch this video on shear force and bending moment diagram. Topic is when the cantilever beam is loaded with UDL partially. I request you to watch my previous videos, 2 or 3 videos on shear force and bending moment diagram to understand your basic concept and take full benefit from this video. This is a short video I will do and try to explain each and every part so that even with a small knowledge and basic concept on shear force and bending diagram, our student and interested people can understand and get benefited from it. Please share your comments and likes and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that whenever I put video, you will get it instantly. And friends, please see the drawing of this cantilever beam. One end fixed and other end free. This is called cantilever beam. You see that the UDL is not loaded to the whole span and it is partially loaded. That is, W is loaded to the distance A only. These types of analysis is very common and it is asked in the interview or in examination, maybe UG, PG, diploma or any service examinations for job. Then here is vacant. How will draw bending moment and shear force diagram? This is shear force diagram and this is bending moment diagram. You have to draw it. How will you draw it? Please see the analysis. There is any fixed numericals, but in terms of A is the distance, distance, and here assumed X is the distance, assumed distance. Then for shear force diagram, just you see that since there is no loading between C and B, so naturally what will happen, there is no shear force between B and C, and this will simply, the graph will be a straight line. So I request you not to leave vacant but simply draw on a straight line. Otherwise the answer will be wrong and some marks will be deducted from it. Then what will be the shear force between this point C and A? Since it is UDL, the shear force diagram will be linear and it will go up to this horizontal axis at 0, 0 axis, x, y axis, x or x, y axis to up to this point, and this will be the W. This is W into A. W into A. Just you put here and you will get this point and just draw a slant line, a straight line meeting at C. And why this is positive? Shear force for cantilever beam is always positive. Assuming that take any section and the right due to load is coming from top to bottom and the section is splitting and coming down right side. So you take the shear force positive. Shear force diagram should be drawn and marked here shear force diagram. Now come to the bending moment. What is bending moment? Please go to my previous 3 to 4 videos on bending moment and shear forces, sign convention, loading. This will give you very good idea about the shear force and bending moment diagram, and you will able to solve this problem very easily, or any problem of this kind very easily. So what is bending moment? Shear force into distance is called the bending moment. And see, since there is no loading between here B to C, so there will be no bending moment. And just to simply draw one just horizontal line C to B. प्लीज डोंट एस्केप दिस लाइन. इस लाइन को आप नहीं छोड़ेंगे, इसको दिखाना पड़ेगा. सिंस देयर इज नो बेंडिंग मोमेंट ड्यू टू नो लोडिंग. एंड व्हाट विल बी द बेंडिंग मोमेंट फ्रॉम सी टू ए? दिस विल बी पैराबोलिक. शेप इज पैराबोलिक. एंड व्हाट विल बी द हाउ दिस इज कैलकुलेटेड? सपोज हियर देयर इज no load, so there will be mc equal to 0, means bending moment at c will equal to 0, and take the moment about this point A. What is the moment? Force into distance is the moment. Then what is force? W into A is the total load. And where is it acting? It is acting just A by 2. That is middle of the span AC. Then W into A into distance from here to here is A by 2. This will give you WA square divided by 2. This is the quantity of bending moment developing at the end support A, and its unit will always be force into unit is always, please just remember, unit will be force into unit equal to force into distance. That is, if it is force is kilonewton and distance is meter, the unit will be meter. And for shear force diagram, unit will be only kg or newton or kilonewton force only. And why this bending moment is negative? Bending moment is negative due to hogging moment. Hogging. When the load is put here, then its shape will be deflected like this. And this is a give hogging effect. And due to this consideration only, the bending moment in the cantilever is always negative. So please remember this. In the next video, I will solve numerical on this, giving actual quantity kilonewton meter etc. But you please note that these types of numerical here, there is no practical quantity given, and in terms of symbolic you have to draw it. And this is very helpful to solve you other types of problem in the bending moment and shear forces. So please just watch the full video and comment your shares and likes and join my team. Thank you. Please see the last video I posted on cantilever beam and other video also. So please watch full video and be with us. Thank you. Hi friends, hope you are well and doing well. Please watch this video in full shape. I hope definitely you will benefit from this video.